First, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down, and select About Phone. Under Software Information, you will find Build Number. Tap on it multiple times until it says Developer Mode has been turned on. At the bottom of the settings, you will find Developer Options. On the bottom you will find Select Mock Location App. We will go back to it soon. Open up Google Play Store, and search for Fake GPS Location. Download, install and run the second app. Go back to Settings, and under Select Mock Location App, tap on Fake GPS. Go back to the Fake GPS app, select your desired location, then press the green button. You should get a mock location alert. Open up WhatsApp, and try to send a location. If it takes you to your real location, tap the upper right button and immediately send it. All done. Please subscribe.